1, 2, 1. Hello again. This rebel song, Broad Black Brimmer, was written by Art Macmillan back in the early 70s. It would be associated mostly with the Wolf Tones, I think. Now I'm playing the song in the key of D, and we have just 4 chords. We've got D major, G major, A major, and B minor. Now you'll notice there when I played the G major chord, I played it with this fingering. So I have my 2 fingers here fretting the 1st and 2nd frets. The main reason I'm doing that is because I already have this finger in position from the D chord. So it's just a matter of putting my pinky under it and moving my other 2 fingers up to the 6th and 5th strings. To the strum pattern then, it's in 2/4 time, and it's a very basic pattern, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 and, very straightforward. Down for the 1, up, down for the 2, up. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Now it's not a regular 1 and 2 and not a regular beat like that. It's more a swinging rhythm. 1 and 2 and 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 1 and 2. If you're accurate with your pick, with your plectrum, for the 1 beat you can pick the root note of the chord. So for the D that would be the 4th string. So you'd be playing 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1. So you're picking up, down, up, pick, up, down, up, pick, up, down, up, pick. And for the G major chord, your 1 beat, the root note here is the 6th string. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and that's very straightforward, obviously, because it's the top string. There's nothing else. You don't have to get in between any strings there. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. And for the A chord, the root note is the 5th string, so you've got to get in here between the 6th and 4th strings. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. And if you want to use this pick, strum, 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 pick, up, down, up, pick, up, down, up, pick, up, down, up. For the B minor, the root note here is also on the 5th string because we're fretting that 2nd fret. That note is B, so we'll be playing 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. If you find that a little bit confusing, just stick with the basic strum pattern where you have your one beat is a down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. There's a slight emphasis on the one beat, it's slightly accented. 1 and 2 and 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 1 and 2. 1, 2, 1.